Hello there. Hey besties. I don't know what video this is gonna make it into, but I got a package. I'm so excited. Oh, she got a bit damaged in the post. As you can see, she got a little damaged. And product spread and I will. That's what these are. Sorry, I got these for free. So I didn't know what these were, but they're like the little face shavers. Your girl, y'all know your girl gonna be using these. She got 3 of them. They're so exciting. I didn't know what these were. They were free. Okay, I added them to my order. Okay, this is what I'm excited for. This freaking water flosser thing. What's her name? Isla Moran has one. So, you know, I had to order one. I got a cute little pink one. Okay. I'm so excited. Okay. It's got a little charging cord. You know, as most things do. We've got the heads. Oh. Oh. Okay. Hold on, let me pull these out. So you've got 2 of like these long heads, and then you've got this one. What is she? She's silicone. I don't know what she is. Maybe, I don't know. We're gonna discover. Oh wait, is there more? Hold on, what's this? Oh, and there's another silicone one. Sorry, I'm so excited right now. Oh, I bought this from the brand Luxe Skin. I don't know if it's gonna work, but they were having a sale and I couldn't spend like $100 on an actual one. Whoa. What is this? Oh, that's where you charge it from. So that's obviously where you attach like the different... Oh no, wait, maybe these attach onto the end. Oh, that makes so much more sense. These attach onto the ends of the long stick things. And then these attach into here. I kind of want to go use this, but I know it has to charge. Oh! Oh! You fill this up with water, I think. I don't really know. I haven't really read the instructions. I'm just playing with things. What? It's already charged! My Vans just came in. So I did get Vans for Christmas, but they were too big, so we had to return them. We've been waiting for ages for like Vans that I like to be in my size and around the same price that we got them for, because we got like store credit to the place that we bought them from. But anyways, they're in. They fit. I have tried them on. Got a cute little sticker and they're here. I'm so excited. If anyone is wondering, I got a US woman's 8.5, which is 25 centimeters. That's what I got. And I got to lace them up, but they are gorgeous. And I'm in love. And I need to find somewhere in my room to put them. I have another package. I have no idea if this is turning into a video or not. But a package. This might damn well be the biggest package I have. Look at this. It's from Laura Lee. I can't say it. I paid $20. I held a party. So this was like actually 100 and something worth. And I held a party for them. And then I had like so much money I could spend. It was like 90 something dollars. So I ended up paying $20, which that includes shipping. I paid $5. And the rest was because I had the party and people bought stuff. If you want to know any information, message me on Instagram. Anyways, I'm going to open this up. Also, I did get a free gift, which is like really exciting. And that should be in here too. I said should. Oh, there, I did it. Okay. Oh, it's 2 bags. Okay. They literally had to use 2 of their mailing bags taped together. Okay. I got 3 things. Okay, so the first thing I got, this was completely free, this microfiber robe, because I got a party booking from my party. So then I got this robe for free. Look at this. Look at this. I'm going to put it on. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, it's so soft. I'm stuck. Where's my other armhole? There. Guess who's not going to be cold this winter? Me. I'll probably wear this all the time. It's also one size fits all, I think. Well, it was at least because this was a gift. So, yeah. So it's like super big and oversized. And my bet is that my boyfriend's going to steal this off me. Right, next. I have wanted this for so long. I originally wanted a different colour, but then I saw this colour and I could not say no. Also, this one was cheaper. And so, I mean, I could get two things. Anyways, this is called a Mediterranean rug? Throw rug? It's like a throw blanket. Oh, my hand's like super. It is not as soft as I thought it was going to be, but like that's okay. And it's just this like knitted throw. That's like pink. It's pink. And it's like, I can't really like show this very well. There you go. See how it's got like the different, yeah. Anyways, I got this, which is super cute. Don't ask me what I'm doing, I'm weird. And then the last thing I got was a bamboo bath caddy. I'm so excited for this. This is the whole reason the package was so big. I just stabbed myself in the eye. That's a great way to do an unboxing. Oh, I'm so excited to use this. Oh my god, this is massive. Whoa. How do I get this off? Whoa. I got an extend, so if you have a massive bathtub, it can be really big, but then if you have a little bathtub, it can be like small. And then you've got like, I don't really know how to show this. It looks like this. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I have like a little bevy. Is that a photo of what each thing is used for? Because I don't know what the things are used for. There's like things that you can like slide into. This is so cool. This is everything I got from Laura Lee. I can't say it, I swear. But this is so cool. Wait, look at the plastic thing back. Like, honestly, this is amazing. Catch me in the bath with like a little coffee, getting ready to hop out and hop into my robe. Oh! I have to do like a bougie like night routine or something with that. Like, ah! So cool. Alrighty, besties. I filmed like a whole unboxing for this business that sent me stuff, but I cannot find that clip anywhere. Absolutely anywhere. So I'm going to just show you guys what they sent me so that y'all can see. So it's called Slide Jewelry. It comes in this little pouch, and I got two things. Did I get two? Honestly don't even remember. I think I got just these two. So they're both gold, which if you don't know, I don't really wear gold jewelry. That's okay. I got this really thin chain bracelet, which I absolutely love. I also wore both these items out not that long ago on a night out, which that video will be coming soon. But absolutely love this. Like, I've always wanted like a thin chain bracelet, so obsessed with that. And then I got this eye necklace that has just like a green gem in it. And yeah, that's what this little business sent me, and I really wish I could find my like reaction in opening it up, but I can't, so yeah. But I think this is it for the video. Yeah, I hope you enjoy this really random video of me just unpackaging boxes. I honestly don't even know what it is. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe, check the description for my social medias and whatnot. And yeah, bye besties. Mwah.